This lab out of Texas is one we've heard about before. They helped identify a suspect in the case of Morgan Nick, who was abducted and killed over 30 years ago.
And after that breakthrough in the Nick case, other Othram Labs of Houston, Texas recently identified remains in Northwest Arkansas cold case, and they're confident they could have a solid answer in this one by the end of this year.
We rarely have a case of skeletal remains that we can't build an excellent profile from which to generate investigative leads from.
Michael Vogan with Othram Labs of Texas says within the next couple of months, they're confident they'll be able to give Carroll County investigators the #1 answer they've been hunting since December of last year, when a human skull was found in the woods near Eureka Springs.
The good news with unidentified human remains cases like this one that we're talking about is that there's usually always some sort of DNA available, whether it's bone, like in this case, blood sample, tissue sample, hair sample. There's usually something that we can work from.
To help pay for this extensive testing, Arkansas Attorney General Tim Griffin stepped in to help. In a statement to our newsroom, he said, "When I heard that the Carroll County Sheriff's Office was raising money to pay for advanced testing in the Eureka Springs case, we didn't hesitate to get involved." He added that they hope it will bring closure for a family whose loved one has been missing. Griffin established a cold case unit in his office's Special Investigations Division last year. Their goal is to work with local law enforcement agencies and offer help wherever possible.
So we're pretty thorough to make sure that the DNA we get will be useful in developing one of these unique profiles to help facilitate an investigative lead for the detectives.
As for the scientists at Othram, who've had great success solving cases once thought to be unsolvable, from the teeth of that skull, they feel they'll be able to build a family tree to trace the DNA back to the direct family member.
Vogan says Othram and the Attorney General's office has developed a strong relationship and are excited to use advanced DNA technology to solve both human remains causes and suspect cases. Live in studio, Phoebe Kramer, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.